That's right. I'm Italian, but I live in London.
Mm-hmm.
And yes, I joined the course in April. I'm experiencing myopia, and before joining the course, I was -7, -8.
Wow.
And I did a bit of work by myself because I heard about the Bates method before.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
But then I didn't have the perseverance of doing the exercise regularly because I think I felt that I was on my own. So when I discovered natural vision improvement, everything started working again because I became part of this lovely group where we share information, we give each other's encouragement, and I can tell you I have improved so much. So I now I lower the prescriptions, and I wear glasses they go from -5 to -3. I really want to stress how being part of a group has really brought me forward, because when there are moments of discouragement, feeling, oh my God, I'm not improving. So all I need to do is to write a little something in the chat, and I get loads of backup, lots of encouragement from all the other participants.
Mm-hmm.
And also we share our own experiences. And like today, I was part of a mini group where we shared how to do certain exercises, and we share our own experience, what has really helped us to go forward.
Mm-hmm.
And one thing that is really helping me at the moment, and again, I learned it through the group, through joining the course, is positive affirmation.
Mm-hmm.
It's really working for me. And before I didn't believe it, I thought, oh my God, I'm not going to say, oh yes, my vision is improving. Oh yes, this is so good. But since I started using positive words, so I think you're explaining once, just to find a way of reversing the negativity into something that is positive. Well, it's really making me go forward. And this is helping me not just with the vision, but with everything, my whole well-being. So I'm much happier. And if I have moments when I feel a little bit low, a little bit down, well, I decided I want to go down the line. Let's come back to find the positivity. So to summarize, I think this work is not just for improving our own vision, but it's for the whole of us, the whole well-being.
Mm-hmm.
Because we are applying, not only we do the relaxation work, but and we also find out, okay, what is it that I'm doing that is causing the tension? So we find out a lot about ourselves. We become aware of our habits.
Mm-hmm.
And then we also use lots of positive affirmations. Other people are working with macular degenerations, and I hear stories where they just have been improving. They couldn't see, and now they can see. And today again, we had a little group where we were sharing information about macular degeneration, and it is all possible. And this is possible because, yes, you're giving us the tools to apply, and then we go and we explore for ourselves, and then we come back and we share again the experiences.